It was originally thought साउथ इंडिया में आयरन शुरू होता है इन मेगालिथिक एरा. So to study very briefly, what is megalithic? We have heard this term megalithic earlier when we saw Burza home. I told you Burza home in Kashmir has got big stone sculptures, or boulders rather, not sculptures, boulders. Mega is big, lithic is stone, big stones. What are these megaliths? They are burial markers. वो बरियल ग्राउंड है. आपने किसी को दफन किया है तो यू हैव टू हैव वन काइंड ऑफ मार्कर देयर कॉल्ड मेगालिथ. In South India and across India, by the way, not only South India, you find them in Kashmir also, you find in Balochistan also, even today you find it in tribal regions of central India and northeast also. The tradition continues even today. But for this 1000 year South India, it is more prominent. So megalithic in one way is a present condition for some tribes even today, but in historic context, it is the peninsular India. In this era, we find them much more in frequency, much more in number. So megalithic culture usko कहते हैं. Here we have found more than 1500 sites, of which hundreds have been excavated so far. क्या करें? And in almost all these megalithic burials, you find iron implements along with it. So what are these megalithic burials? उसको पहले देख लेते हैं in the photo form. We have different types of megalithic structures. ये नाम इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैंने फोटो दिए हुए हैं, आपको नाम समझने होंगे. 6 terms are there. One term is called dolmen. Dolmen. It is very simple. It's like table. You have one stone, vertical stone. Likewise, you have two or four vertical stones and one horizontal stone. Table बनाया हुआ है, called dolmen. ऑर्थोस्टैट कहते हैं, बट दे गिव टेक्निकल नेम, डजंट मैटर. तो इसके बीच में गड्ढा है, उसके अंदर डेड बॉडी है. You can close it also from all the four sides. If you close it from the four sides, then they make a small hole here. This is a porthole through which you can continue accessing the dead body. Why do you need to do that? आज एक को दफन किया है, कल किसी और को करना पड़ेगा तो. Or you may have some rituals afterwards. You need to access the main chamber also. So कई बार portholes होते हैं, कई बार नहीं भी होते. But if you have such kind of table system, it is called dolmen. Orthostat and transverse stone. What if you have such kind of system जहाँ पे नीचे के 4 स्टोन ऐसे आपने कोलेप्स कर दे हैं और ऊपर एक उसके लगाए हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टोन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज टोपिकल. टोपी मतलब हैट. दिस इज कॉल्ड देयरफॉर हैट स्टोन. तो ऊपर वाला जो है इट इज कॉल्ड हैट स्टोन और कैप स्टोन. दिस इज कॉल्ड टोपिकल. थोड़ा अलग स्ट्रक्चर. डिफरेंट कल्चर्स इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया हैव डिफरेंट वेज of arranging the stones. बस उतना ही उसका मतलब है. Hat stone, topical. Sometimes you have urn burial. What is urn burial? Somebody is dead, you are burning him. Cremation करो. Then you get asthia and बची कुची हड्डियां. Because अगर आप if you have attended any cremation, you know अब तो चलो इलेक्ट्रिक क्रिमेशन होता है, पहले अग्नि पे लकड़ी पे होता था ज्यादा. तो if you go there, even after burning it for 1 or 2 days, कुछ हड्डियां बच जाती है. So you put all of it together into a अस्थि कलश. अस्थि कलश को आप गंगा जी में नहीं बहाना है, अस्थि कलश को आपको दफन करना है. So urn is the handa, that is अस्थि कलश, which contains the ash and some haddiya also, and you bury it in the ground, called urn burial. It is one way of burial practice. सबसे अधिक जो इमोशनल कर देगा आपको वो है सार्कोफेगस. ये कॉफिन बरियल है. बट ये कॉफिन कब यूज होता है पता है? छोटा बच्चा मरता है. So we have such coffins with 4 legs, 8 legs, 16 legs. It is made in the terracotta, मिट्टी का बना हुआ कॉफिन है ये. और ये exclusively it is used only when a child dies. For child burial it is used. It is found from many parts of India. Sarcophagus, terracotta coffin. Then you have other parts called pit burial. यहाँ पे बीच में गड्ढा है and you put a some stone for markers identification. It's very simple. You have rock cut ground cave. Sometimes in Kerala or in parts of Dakhan where you have basalt stone, they excavate a cave under the ground. In the cave, they keep the dead body. It can be accessed like this. So it is rock cut underground cave as a burial ground. Sometimes we have the circular arrangement of stone called cane burial, CAIRN, Sun or Cairn burial. And another fascinating one is called menhir. Menhir मतलब बड़े बड़े खड़े stones. Menhir, long, tall, vertical stones. अब ये menhir जो है, you can find them in Burzahom, for example. So we have to discuss some examples of sites. ये तो हो गए नाम. 8 नाम जान गए आप? It's not difficult at all to know these names. Different. So we have to look at some sites now. There was a site in Maharashtra, in Vidarbha, called Junapani. It's near Nagpur. Junapani. वहां पे you find the burials, the megalithic burials, along with the haddiya of horse. So there is horse burial there. Now you see in the megalithic era, around 1000 BC, घोड़े दिखना शुरू होते हैं इंडिया में आपको. These घोड़े are obviously imported घोड़े. इंडिया में घोड़े domesticated नहीं होते थे. Because we did not have wild घोड़े in the first place. Wild घोड़े तो इंडिया से कब के खत्म हो चुके थे. Then you come to Karnataka, Hirebenekal. This is a massive site with hundreds of megalithic structure, hundreds of them. This site is also very rich. It is therefore part of UNESCO tentative World Heritage List. Unfortunately, this site is having threat today of getting disappeared. Bangalore शहर बड़ा हो रहा है. It is getting urbanized. और सारे बिल्डर लॉबी के लोग यहाँ पे इसको खत्म कर दो. हमें सोसाइटी जो हो रहा है अरावली का वहां पे वो हो रहा है. ठीक है. So this site might not survive. अभी जाके देख लो 2-4-10 साल में. Then you have new site that came into news recently last year. That is called Mudumal. It's in Telangana, Narayanpet district. This site was put into UNESCO list recently, tentative list. Why? Because not only it has got 80 tall menhirs, it has got a lot of small stones put there and they are aligned in certain fashion. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज वहां पे है, the fashion in which they are aligned is a star pattern. Not only that, on certain stones they have engravings. These engravings also are nakshatras. You have the direction of Dhruva Tara, Ursa Major, सब कुछ है वहां पे. So these people used to have the good idea of astronomy. And it is not unique in India, it is across the world. If you think of megalithic structure, the most famous one in the world is Stonehenge in England. Stonehenge. सुना है आपने नाम Stonehenge का? So this also, if you read, if you see, मतलब मैं कभी कभी Stonehenge के, I used to watch documentary in childhood. Stonehenge में ये है, वहाँ पे वो है, कैसे बनाया होगा, इतने बड़े पत्थर है, कैसे ट्रांसपोर्ट किया होगा, कैसे स्टोन ड्रेस किया होगा, the alignment of stars and sunlight on certain day वगैरह, कितने अकलमंद लोग हैं. Now I know it is not unique, it is beautiful. But we in India also find some such sites. Example is Mudumal in Telangana. Then you go to Mangadu in Kerala. 30 headstones वहां पे है with lots of iron with absence of war weapons is significant here. So यहाँ पे certain sites exactly opposite. You have the irons, you have the megalithic, but you don't have weapons there. If you go to northeast, आज भी आपको मिलते हैं sites, बनते हैं आज भी. Very simple. So all of these sites are associated with some way iron technology. Clear?